watching KCAL9 News at 2.
Well, you probably already know today is Cyber Monday, and the internet's
I heard
answer
that on the news today.
to Black Friday a couple times, right? It's the day stores offer their biggest deals on their website.
So what are people snapping up here in the next few days of the shopping season? Well, we brought in an expert to show us. Joining us now to talk more about this Cyber Monday and holiday buying is Claudia Lombana from the internet site PayPal. Welcome back.
Thank you. It's great to be back.
You got all kinds of goodies there.
We do have some fun stuff.
Let's talk about how are the numbers. People shopping, you have anything on that?
We are seeing an increase so far this year at PayPal. What we have is, as of 11 o'clock this morning, we're seeing a 21% increase over last Cyber Monday in payment volume on the internet, total payment volume. So that definitely points to an increase in more people shopping online this Cyber Monday than last year.
More people shopping, and can you tell if the people that are shopping are spending more money?
Not necessarily. Our numbers don't indicate that. They just give us a total volume. For example, also this morning as of 11 a.m., we had 34% more people total payment volume than we did on Black Friday just a couple of days ago. So it really does show that Cyber Monday is kind of a draw for shoppers.
We keep hearing that a lot of folks are, not as many folks are actually going to the store, and more are kind of migrating toward cyber shopping. So is that an indicator of that? There's really no way to tell the overall, I guess, volume.
Analysts definitely point to that as a trend. More and more people shopping online. The convenience of online shopping, not having to deal with the crowds and with traffic. And you can also do a lot of comparison shopping online. But if you have to go to the store, take your smartphone. You can do comparison shopping right there in the store with your phone.
They got a lot of cool apps for that now.
There are a lot of apps. Yeah, and you can do PayPal shopping right on your phone as well. Compare prices there at the PayPal shopping site. You can compare lots of different products.
Now, they're saying that this might be the year that online shopping actually surpasses brick-and-mortar store shopping. Do you think that's possible?
We don't make those kinds of predictions, but I wouldn't be surprised.
Really?
With more and more people shopping online and finding those conveniences, and the online deals that you can get are now rivaling the deals that you can get in store, so certainly more people are definitely shopping online.
What are some of the cool things you have there?
So some of the fun things that we've got here, I have to point out the Justin Bieber doll first, since we were all looking at that one. He has his own director's chair with his name on it, Justin.
Cool.
And he actually sings, so you push the small button here on his tummy. And this is Big Hit Baby.
Oh, yeah.
You know? It's a good one. A couple different versions of that, different
outfits,
what Dave
and is asking
different
for.
songs.
Yeah.
For the kids ages 4 to 9, the Leapster Explorer this year, it's a new version. It's updated. It's one of the most interactive toys for kids. Not only is it a game, but it also is a learning tool. So it teaches reading comprehension and numbers and teaches them how to interact with a computer.
So
it's a great tool for kids. Yeah. One that's great for the whole family is the Sony PlayStation Move. This is a new Move controller that goes with Sony PlayStation. It's the most intuitive controller out there. So there's a camera that reads your eye movement and actually mimics your movement. And there are games for the whole family, not just for teenage boys, but for the whole family can get in on this for sure.
It reads your eye movement?
Yeah, there's a small camera that you place on top of the television, and it reads your eye movement so that it can mimic your patterns better on screen.
Wow, and how much does something like that cost?
So the Move controller is $49.99. If you already have PlayStation, then you only have to buy the controllers in addition, or you can purchase a whole bundle for about $400.
Very cool.
Yeah. And we've got personalized iPad sleeves. We know how big the iPad is right now.
These are so cool.
They're leather. They come in different colors, and you can personalize them with up to 3 initials. And the iPad slides right on in there. And then we've got this great alarm clock. It's called the iLove. It's a docking station for your iPhone or your iPod. But the best feature is that this little guy right here, you put it on your bed or under your pillow, and it vibrates. So it's supposed to wake up even the soundest sleeper. Shakes your bed awake. Yeah.
Here in California, we might think it's an
pretty
earthquake
cool.
if the bed starts shaking.
That's a great point. Yeah.
A lot of folks are still worried. We talk about the numbers going up every year, more folks shopping online, but a lot of folks still haven't ventured into it yet because they're worried.
People are worried. That's definitely top of mind for people who are shopping online. And at PayPal, that's one of our biggest, security is one of our top concerns for our shoppers. So by purchasing through a service like PayPal, you're purchasing securely. You give your information, your bank information, or your credit card information one time to PayPal. We store it securely, and then you can shop millions of merchants worldwide without having to give your personal information. You just use your PayPal account.
And you say use a strong password. What does that mean, a strong password?
People are getting more and more savvy to shopping online, what they need to do to protect themselves, using a combination of characters, letters, capital letters and numbers along with characters, mix it up so that they can't be solved as easily or found out as easily. That equals password security. And you can actually check your password strength online.
Oh,
when you say buy securely, how do you know a site is secure?
Use common sense is one of the biggest things that we tell people. Really, if something seems to be too good to be true, it probably is. So really read the fine print and be careful, but purchase through merchants that you are familiar with, bigger name merchants who purchase securely or who use a service like PayPal where you know that your information is stored securely.
And how do you find the best deal? Because a couple times I've bought something and then the next day I see it for a lower price online and, you know, the shipment's already on its way.
Right. Well, online is key, and being able to do comparisons online is one advantage that consumers have. You can literally shop hundreds and hundreds of merchants to find the same product. So if you, for example, go to paypal-shopping.com and you type in Justin Bieber singing doll, you'll find dozens of merchants and all the different prices, so you can really right before your eyes see what the best price is going to be. So comparison shopping for sure.
You still have to do your homework.
Absolutely. It's worth it.
Yeah,
PayPal's come a long way from just taking your credit card.
We really have.
Oh, good. Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, if you want more holiday shopping tips, just check out our website. It's kcal9.com. Click Seen on TV.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
And you too, Justin.
Thanks, Justin. Rock us out.
Very
Love
good.
that.
Rock on, Justin.